Okay, so I kind of just started with a similar division problem to what they're working with now. I always tell them to start off by paying attention to the divisor because we're going to be multiplying by that divisor every single time we multiply. So in order to get started, they need to think of the number that is easiest for them to multiply. Could be 5, could be 10, could be 20. Usually if it ends in a 5 or a 0, it's a lot easier to work with. In this case, I'm just going to pick 10. So I'm going to write times 10 off to the side. And I know that 4 times 10 is 40. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to subtract this from my dividend. When I subtract this, I should get 188. Okay, well the goal is to get to 0, so I'm not anywhere close. So I'm going to keep subtracting. I'm going to take out another 40. So I'm going to multiply by 10 again. And I'm going to subtract another 40. If I do that, I get 148. Well, still not close, so I can take out another 40. And I get that, 108. Okay, getting a little bit smaller, but I can keep going. So I'm just going to keep going and get as close to 0 as I can. So I'm going to take out another 40. And I should get 68. Okay, well I can take out one more group of 40. If I take out 40, I get 28. Okay, well I know 4 times something does give me 28, and this is where knowing their multiplication facts definitely comes in handy. So I'm thinking off the top of my head, 4 times something is going to give me 28. Well, I know 4 times 7 gives me 28. So if I were to subtract 28 from 28, I'd get 0. The goal is to get to 0. Okay, well I'm not done. I still am looking for my quotient up here. So how I find my quotient, I add all of these together. This is where picking easier numbers comes in handy. So you've got 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 7. So my quotient is going to be 57. Now, they can do bigger numbers. They could do 20 and take out 80 at a time, and it would be less work. But if he is comfortable with multiplying by 10 every time, have him multiply by 10 wherever is more comfortable for him.